Okay, in this part, I'm going to show you how to set your camera the most useful way that you can use. You have the first knob, which is the actual manual or the actual auto. So this would be like, if you don't want to control anything, a lot of people will use the auto. And then it's as simple as that. If you want to use the manual, then it gives you a little bit more creativity. So first thing is that you want to go and check. You press into the power. You should hear a little sound, and it turns a green light. Okay. After you got that done, let me just set that up so that we're going to see it. It's the actual inside of the camera. Hopefully, is it going to show too much reflection? That's what I'm trying to find out. Okay, so hopefully there won't be too much reflection. We'll set that up a little bit later on. Okay, so you have this part, and it shows to you the settings. The first thing is that you want to make sure is that you either wipe what's on to the internal recording or on the SD card. So if you press into the function on top over here, press again, and I will set, oops, let me just go back, because you see this over here tells you that it is set onto the actual video, and this is the camera. So if you click onto this over here, just to show you really quickly, you see that you have the camera set up, and now you have the video. So for us, we want to do the video for sure. Okay, and after that, it takes a little while. Go to function, and in here you go to menu, click on the menu, and you go right to the last one. You want to make sure that you have all the right settings over here. So you click and drag, you'll see, and sometimes it's way better to use the actual wireless remote control. Press it on, and then it'll be easier. Power saving mode, that you don't need that right now. And this is what it's called initialize. Most of the companies use format. This one use initialize. Click onto this, and it says built-in memory. We don't have a memory card over here. You don't have an SD card in this one. If you would, you would actually see it over here also. So if you go to built-in memory, you will have those options to say, yeah, initialize. And if you do that, it will actually erase the footage. So I'm going to go in here, say initialize, and you can see quickly erase or completely initialize. It's been a while since we did that, so I'm going to go over here, say complete, and I'll press yes. And now it's going to go in, it's going to do all the formatting or erase everything that was onto the internal. It takes a little while, so I'm not going to let you watch that. So the next video will show you the other settings.